All right, so I want to talk quickly today about a fragrance that I own and I don't see anybody else talking about. It's English Laundry's Throne. I got this a while back at the mall. I was browsing through, stopped at one of the fragrance stores, and I saw it. They kind of had it showcased there. It was new. I think this is it's definitely a newer fragrance. I'm not sure when it came out. I want to say 2021, maybe a little bit before that. But I think it's a 2021 release. Like I said, didn't know anything about it. I stepped outside and I was scrolling YouTube and looking online. I couldn't see anybody talking about it. To this day, I don't know anybody that's really talked about this stuff. You can kind of tell from the bottle what it smells like. We're going to talk about that real quick. But let's go over the bottle itself. Then we're going to spray it and talk about it. Bottle is kind of cool. Gradient darker blue to like a lighter blue. See-through bottle. I've already put a decent dent in this damn bottle since I've had it. Because what it's inspired by is so easy to wear. You guys know what it looks like. I don't want to spend too much time on that. Blah, blah, blah. Lightweight cap. Nothing there. Opening, or atomizer's nice. Yeah. You know what it is. This is an Invictus style fragrance. Similar to Cambridge Night. My Cambridge Night I have on a dry down, on a test strip right here, excuse me. And then I have this Throne on a test strip, the dry down. So my Cambridge Night, maybe it's just my bottle, it's an Invictus style fragrance, but it has a little more of somewhat of a spice to it. Something a bit of a kick and spice in that one that this doesn't have. This is just a very, fruity, marine, aquatic fragrance. Very nice, kind of boring, kind of forgettable, but yeah, it's an Invictus style fragrance. Performance is roughly 4 or 5 hours off my skin. Maybe a little more, maybe I'm going nose blind, but yeah, roughly 4 or 5 hours. It's nice. It smells a lot like what I'm wearing today. If you've smelled the Cool Water Wave, super ultra cheapy here. This smells a little more synthetic than the Throne. The Throne does open up relatively synthetic off of my skin, and then after like a couple minutes, it starts, developing into something really, really nice. A subtle powdery nature to this that comes off decent off of my skin. Price-wise, I think you can find... I paid like $65 for this, which I think is too much money. I just blind bought it. They didn't have a sample one I could smell, so I just said, you know what? F it. I'm going to blind buy it. I don't really regret it that much. It smells nice. I rock it pretty often, but I would like to have paid roughly half of that. Like maybe $30, $35 for this. I think right now you can get on eBay for $30 to $40. I didn't see it on FragranceNet. Amazon, you can probably find it. Hunt around. Don't pay $65 for it, in my opinion, unless you're like a collector that wants to have every damn English Laundry fragrance. But yeah, I think you can find it $30, $40. Personally, I wouldn't pay over $40. It's not a bad fragrance. It's not the end of the world if you do, but it's nice. It's an Invictus style fragrance from English Laundry. Good stuff. I have another one I'm going to talk about tomorrow from English Laundry that's newer, that I really like. I'm enjoying it a lot more than this one. But anyways, I wanted to talk about it quickly in case you see it out there and you need to know what it smells like. It is an Invictus style fragrance. So yeah, get it if you want to. Don't get it if you don't want to. I don't give a damn either way. That's it and that's all. Like the video if you like the damn video. Hey, like it even if you don't like it. You might as well. You're already here. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Don't know why you haven't already. Until next time, guys, God bless. Be well. Boom. I'm out.